seek shelter now. scgov.net.
That was just the end of that message, but I am in an evacuation area for Hurricane Ian. Let me turn on the light here. Oh. So here's the deal. Here's what's happening. We got hurricane warning happening. Gusts up to 155 miles per hour. This is going to put the Lexan windows to the test because there's going to be projectiles moving at about 100 miles an hour. And storm surge of 9 to 12 foot. I know I can handle the winds. I'm kind of excited about the winds. The storm surge is what I'm concerned about. You can't just go to the coast to intercept the highest winds. Oh, no, no, no. Because you got 9 to 12 foot of storm surge expected. Right now, we're getting little gusts. It's maybe 8-10 mile an hour tops. It's not till tomorrow night. Tomorrow afternoon is when it's really supposed to start ramping up. But yeah, we're in Sarasota, Florida right now. Drove all day from about 8 a.m. this morning to about 7 p.m. from Tennessee to here. I'm actually a little concerned. I've never been in a storm this big before, and I want to prepare for the worst case scenario because I've never been in a storm this big. This is gonna be my first hurricane, and I'm gonna be purposely driving into the strongest part of it, and I don't know what I'm doing. Bad idea, but we're doing it. If we look at radar, come on. There's a tornado watch down south, but lots of tornado warnings. But there is the hurricane, and I'm thinking, man, this thing's shifting east big time. Actually, I'm thinking it's gonna hit somewhere down in here, right up past Cape Coral. So we're gonna head quite a bit further south, about half hour. Winds are starting to pick up. We recorded 11 mile per hour wind gust about half hour ago. I'm thinking it's more like 15 now, maybe. It's not fast. It's supposed to be tomorrow evening that it hits, but the thing is it's increasing. Anyway, we're gonna head south and see if we can get a little bit closer to this hurricane. Update, we're in Northport. It's looking like a direct impact just to the south. Actually, we're looking to be in the eye of it, actually, potentially, or just north of the eye. Both ways, we're gonna be pretty darn close and are expected to at least get up to Category 1 winds by tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon. So right now we're gonna get about a couple hours of sleep, wake up, look at the hurricane, go back to sleep. Because I've never chased a hurricane before. I don't know if I need to wait till tomorrow to really do anything. It's just breezy out there, raining, potentially up to 2 feet of rain, so lots of rain. But yeah, we're gonna go to bed and get up periodically throughout the night to keep an eye on the hurricane. Wonder if it catches on the GoPro, but oh my goodness gracious. We're getting tropical storm winds, I think now. Probably, most likely. Might only be 20, 25. It's hard to tell because the rain makes it look so much more intense. Oh my goodness gracious. Hurricane Ian is a Category 4. Right now, 145 mile per hour winds sustained, according to radar, with gusts to 160. That won't be till tomorrow afternoon. Right now we're on the edge of it, but golly, things are looking interesting. We got some strong winds happening. We repositioned closer to the coast. We're about 19 feet according to the topography map. Turn on the light. 19 feet above sea level, so we should be safe from storm surge. Right now we're 80 miles away from where the strongest winds are going to be, and already we're getting some gusts that are shaking the car pretty good and whatnot. I mean, like, just look at it. It's raining. We got some leaking happening. Well, not right now actually, because it's moving and the wind's starting to pick up. But wind is just sitting. Anyway, we have a puddle down there. Trees are rocking back and forth. I'm thinking now might be the time to put on the Lexan because the winds are starting to pick up, and but it's not too crazy that I can do it without being blown around too much. Plus that way I can intercept the wind. But yeah, I could definitely see at least 100-mile-an-hour winds coming out of this thing. Right now it's sustained from National Hurricane Center 120, but radar's showing gusts up to 140 plus. I mean, like, it's insane. Lexan covers, Lexan side windows have been activated. They're kind of foggy right now, so before I move I have to do defrost, but that's because when I went out there I got drenched. It's like I took a shower. What is this? Yeah, winds are gusting probably around 30, 35. Nothing too crazy, but a heavy rain. Tons of rain. Ridiculous amount of rain. But looking like right now, it's possible we get a direct impact right now. To potentially even need to go a little bit more north. It's wobbled a lot more north than they were saying, which is not good for storm strength, good for residents of Florida. I obviously hope for the stronger storm, not because of damage to property, but because I want to be in stronger winds. Anyway, this is it on radar. Crazy looking thing. That's where we are, and it should be coming right up through there. Yeah, that it's actually increased a little bit, up to 140-mile-per-hour sustained wind. Basically low wind category 4. And look at that, 444. Category 4, 444. I don't know if you can tell, but all of a sudden the wind and everything just picked up tremendously. Oh wow. Look at that. Whoa. My goodness gracious. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Yeah. We're still 65 miles, no, 70 miles from the strong winds. Whoa. Oh my goodness gracious. Just downpouring. Whoa. Intercepting madness. Whoa. This may be some of the most intense footage of my life that I'm about to take in the next couple hours. It's basically a category 5. Sustained winds right now of 158, which is category 5 status, with wind gusts up to 190 miles per hour. And what do I got for shelter? A Walmart. A stinking Walmart. And I'm pretty darn certain we can't go in that. So we'll have to go around the edge. Thankfully we have Lexan windows, but our tires, depending on how much debris is in the air, if there's a lot of debris, our tires will be popped at that speed. Just from debris just stabbing it. We're still about 50 miles from the eyewall. We're getting about 50-mile-an-hour winds right now. I mean, like, the trees are shaking and whatnot. Can't really see through the Lexan, but essentially it's shaking the car. It's getting, I'm thinking we're getting close to 60-mile-an-hour winds now, based on what I'm seeing. I mean, like, we're having whole entire trees in motion right now. And the crazy thing is, it can still supposed to go up 100 more miles an hour. We're out of the storm surge area, and if the storm surge does start getting up here, we got an escape route, so we're good there. I mean, like, just look at the radar presentation on this thing. This thing is a beast, coming right for us, basically. We're gonna get in the eye and have some of the strongest winds I have ever experienced in the next 4 hours-ish, 4 to 5 hours. Also, we got this, whoa, golly. We also got this leak going here. We got this water filtration bottle We're filling it up. Figured it might as well go in there. Okay. Wow. This might be some of the most intense footage I've ever taken in the next 4 to 5 hours. Winds are really increasing. They're kind of just intermittent. And I mean, like, we're still 40 miles, 45 miles away from the main winds. So, but it seems like it should be stronger and more sustained than that. But of course, I've never been in a hurricane before, so. We do have twigs rolling around out there. We did get hit, one did hit the windshield. But I mean, like, the winds are definitely bumping us around a little bit when they're gusting. And like right now you get into a lull where it's just 10-mile-an-hour winds, and then it goes up to like 45, something like that, 50. Most intense footage I've ever taken right here. Uh-oh. It's hot buffalo. I don't got a bathroom. What if it goes straight through me? I won't film it. Oh! That smells spicy. Whoa. I'm glad my aunt and uncle got me this tuna, because otherwise I would have been literally foraging for food out here. Oh. Okay. So we got this big rain band, and then there's gonna be like no rain. Cape Coral's gonna be taking a direct hit. I mean, like almost 20-foot storm surge. All of Cape Coral's gonna be underneath the water. 150, 160 mile per hour winds to anything above the water. Cape Coral's gonna be devastating. Come on, come down to pop. Oh, that one was a little spicy. Okay. It's getting real saucy. I drove 800 miles for this. This better be good. Whoa. We're about to intercept. As you can tell, we're getting very close to where the main winds are going to be. There's probably some 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts happening. That was more intense than I thought it'd be. Oh, we're getting rain. Cold rain. Give me big wind. There we go. Came out of nowhere. Oh, buddy. I don't know if it's gonna go or not. All I know is I gotta go pee here. Oh, there's water over there. Hang on, we gotta check this out. Oh, no, big raindrops. No. I want to stay dry. Oh, it's dumping on me. Well, thank you, Mother Nurture. Whoa. Oh, it's stinging. I messed up. I messed up. Okay, we're gonna head south, and because the hurricane has shifted more of an easterly track, so therefore we're gonna kind of miss out on the eye. And since we know we're gonna miss out on the most strongest winds on the northeast part of the hurricane, we're gonna try to get that eye, because it's supposed to be a stadium effect possible with blue skies and everything, just because it's such a strong hurricane. We're gonna try to get there. It depends on storm surge, because Some of the roads go through some low-lying areas. Where I'm going is going to be above the storm surge, but we'll see on the direction. Right now, winds are picking up dramatically. Definitely getting into the 70s right now. But yeah, we got about a 22-mile drive, and we're gonna see if we can get in the eye of Hurricane Ian. Okay, we're pretty much on the edge of the eye wall, and the eye should be coming right through here. We're kind of on the edge of a driveway to a hotel, and winds are gusting probably 80 plus. Now they're being consistent though, because we're right on the eye wall. Look at that. Look at that thing. I mean, like the power poles that are over here, if they fall, I should be okay. I'll be right on the edge of it, but it is insane wind gusts. And right now it's looking like we're going to intercept 110, 120 mile an hour winds in the eye wall. We shall see. Gusts could be up to 150 both ways. I did see another storm chaser. Hey, they're right over there actually, just over there. They're doing the same thing I'm doing. They got Lexan windows too, just a little bit nicer than mine. But on the way down here, we had this window pop off. It was hanging just by 2 screws on top. It was flapping out. Had to drill some new holes. It looks like I need to drill another. But right now we're gonna intercept the wind because there's no rain, and see just how fast this is, because it's shaking the car like crazy. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I almost can't stand against it physically. Insane winds. We got damage on the Corolla. It's still working, but we got damage. Look at the gas. Oh, that was intense. We got low back. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Leaves flying. This is awesome. Look at that. Lots of lightning. I mean, like within a quarter mile of me, just pow, pow, pow. Wow. Bending those trees over. Okay, this is the strongest one yet. This just keeps getting stronger. It's just moving so darn slow. Wow. Oh, more lightning. Fort Myers is going to get a direct hit from this eye. Wow. Golly. That was a shingle. Just had a shingle fly past me. Oh my goodness. Oh, we got shingles peeling off a roof. We got shingles peeling off a roof over there. I wonder if the GoPro can see. That building over there, the shingles are peeling off of it. Oh, the shingle just flew off. Shingles are flying off. Shingles are flying off that roof over there. Wow. Whoa. Wow. How are those trees surviving? How? Whoa! Oh my goodness! Wow! Wow! Oh my goodness! Here we go. Here we go. We got major wind. Major wind. I can see it. I can see it coming. Okay, maybe this is the eyewall? I thought it already happened. I thought we were in it. No, this is something else. Wow. Okay, we're almost in the eye. We're in the strongest part of the hurricane pretty much right now. Whoa! My goodness! This is gonna be the strongest part of the hurricane. We're almost in the eye. Wow! Oh my goodness! Look at those trees bend down. Wow! That was maybe 140. That may have been the category 4 winds we were talking about. Okay, I gotta record this for Twitter. Oh my goodness. Insane. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm just going to record a bunch of video and then post it later. Goodness gracious. Insane winds. Category 4 storm, Hurricane Ian. In the inner eye wall, about to emerge into the eye in the next half hour. Insane winds. Shaking the car, but the car is not moving. The Beastmobile stands to live another day, as far as we know, as of now. Who knows what can happen? A roof could fly off of this. Oh my goodness. Wow! This is what I think of when I think of storm chasing. Ooh, what's that? Oh, there's a bug on it. Power line staying up? How is the sign staying up? We're almost in the eye. We're so darn close to being in the eye. And that's why the winds are now extreme. We had a oh my goodness, about to get extreme quick. Look at that. Whoa. Lots of trees going down today. Lots of trees going down. Okay, that was strong. Oh, wind shifted a little bit. Wind's coming out of the south. Somehow power lines it. Oh my goodness. Winds are insane. You can just hear it out there. Listen to that. shingles coming off today. Winds are getting intense. Man, Chromobile's handling it like no problem. Wow. Oh my goodness gracious. Whoa, that was strong. That almost moved me. Oh, we're being hit with debris. We got vehicles coming down this way. Storm chasers? Possibly. Doesn't look like it though. Look like innocent victims. Where are we? Right on the edge of the eye. Right on the edge of the eye. Wow. We should be pretty darn close to in the eye soon. Looks like the eye's deforming as it moves inland, so we might not get much of an eye. Caught it on the phone camera. We got hit by a big shingle right in the side. Oh my goodness gracious. This thing just does not want to stop. There's a shingle. Wow! I hear it. Here we go. Oh! Another shingle. Another one. What the heck? Anyway, hurricane, whatever. IAN. Oh my goodness. I forgot the name of it. Oh my goodness. That felt like it was left in the car. We're almost in the eye. Some of the strongest wind I've ever experienced. Gusts possibly up to 140. But sustained winds going to a radar of 120. A shingle. No, that was cardboard. Oh, there's a shingle. Wow. 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 How is the car surviving this? Oh, there's another shingle. Roof is coming off behind me. The hotel of the Flamingo Hotel. Hurricane Ian, that's what it is. Wow. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, we can be in this for a while. Wow. This is where all the mesovortices are going to happen. Whoa. My goodness. There it is. That's as close as you're gonna get to the eye of Hurricane Ian. As close as we're gonna get to the eye of it. Essentially, we're in the eye. It's just it's weakened. The eye is off kilter, and so it's weakening. But now we're positioning ourselves for the other side of the storm, which I think is going to be more south of here. In fact, if we look at radar, which is... Oh yeah, we're dead center of the eye right now. Okay, so we had that stadium effect a tiny bit. Couldn't really ever see it, but you could tell it was there. Some of the storm chasers had a better view than me, but we were pretty much in the center, or really darn close to the center of Hurricane Ian. Now we're waiting for the second the second eye wall, and I believe it's getting here right now. But all of a sudden I realized while putting stuff up on Twitter that, wait a second, it's misting and it's calm. That's not normal. But anyway, should be at least 100 mile-an-hour winds on the other side of this. Ugh, man, I'm lightheaded. I wonder if there was a gas leak over there, because I smelled something right where it just was. I moved over to this gas station. As you can see, the label's been ripped off. Some of the vinyl underneath has been ripped off. Parts of the gas pumps, like whatnot, have been kicked out. And pieces of metal off the gas station. And the sign there, and there's the other part of the sign. No, that sign's dented. There's damage, and we're about to go through the second eye wall. This time though, it'll slowly but surely decrease in wind speeds. Winds are starting to pick up now, so pretty much out of it. I'm gonna get some food. There's the other side of the hurricane. Winds are starting to pick up, maybe 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour. Then the next half hour should be back up to 100 something. There's some mesovortices up north, mesovortices. Oh, here we go. Shaking the car a little bit. Now the winds are going to be coming from the other way now. So we should get some branches. I wonder how many trees are going to fall down through here. Oh, buddy. Are picking up. Here comes some wind. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Now we're getting into some wind. Oh man, it's getting dark. It's about to get really windy. Like really windy. Like we thought we experienced wind this. Oh man. Here we go. Here we go, look at that. Coming right towards us. Right towards us. Intercept, intercept. Here we go. Oh, buddy. Yeah. Now we got everything going the other way. We're gonna watch. Whoa! Oh my goodness gracious. Wow, this is stronger than the other side. Way stronger than the other side. There. Wow. Insane winds right now, bigger than before. Was not expecting that. Look at this, look at this. Look at that! Jet propulsion! Wow! Ah! Insane wind! Get over how extreme it is. Man. Golly. Winds of 130 are possible. Oh my goodness, it just got dark. It's about to get intense right now. It's about to get intense. About to get some even more intense rates. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. Crazy intense. Look at it. Wow. I want to say 150 on this. Wow. Whoa! This tree's impossible. Wow. Oh, okay, here we go. Wow. Wow. some even more intense rates. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. Crazy intense. Look at it. Wow. I want to say 150 on this. Wow. Crazy intensity. Whoa! This tree's being fucked. Wow. Whoa! Hang on. Winds just aren't stopping. That's a diesel price sign that used to be up there. It fell down. That's right where we were in the eye. We were sitting right here. GoPro may not be able to see, but it's tore sheet metal off this little gas canopy. And tore the logo off the gas station there. Did that in the first eyewall. Now it's just finishing it off. Okay. I am tired and sticky, and meandering over Hurricane Ian, the intercept. Yeah, we intercepted. What can I say? Apparently it's a once in a lifetime storm. And it honestly was really strong, but felt weak at the same time. Don't know what that means. It was stronger south and north of me. I got like the weakest part of the storm, according to what I'm looking at on other people's like storm chasers areas and whatnot. We'll see though. Besides the point, we're gonna go to bed. It's still gusting up to 80 at times, but it's slowly but surely going to go downhill with wind speeds. And yeah, it'll be the first time we slept more than 2 hours. And I don't know, it's been a long time since I slept, so gotta go to bed.